So I've been sitting here trying to figure out, am I in focus? Hi guys, so I am back. I've been missing, and it's been hard for me to even start recording because I've lost all the little bit of confidence that I had when I was making videos a little bit more constant. So please excuse me, and also please excuse this right here. I just felt like I needed to just sit down, start my camera, try to find settings and see if it worked. So today I'm trying a little bit something different. I have some sort of like new settings with the camera, so hopefully this works. And also hopefully my audio also is working better. So with this whole new setup, I decided to sit in front of my window here. It's a big enough window, and I just wanted to try to see if the lighting was better. I like it this way because having the soft boxes in my space was a little bit too much, because they're big. They're not huge, but they do occupy some space, and it was looking a little crazy. So that's why I decided to try maybe the window and using natural light. I like it. It's just that if I decide to go and continue recording this way, it might limit me a little bit because I need to wait until it's daylight, and you know how that goes. Sometimes the light's good, sometimes it's not. Today is kind of cloudy, overcast day. I have some sort of like diffuser here in the background that will, I guess, make the light better. So hopefully this is good enough, and I'll just keep trying things until I find something that I actually like. But so far so good. So I hope that you also enjoy this new setup. I have a cold right now, so pretty much my voice is really bad at the moment, but I just wanted to like sit here and just talk to you guys for a little bit. Also, if I am talking fast, because like I said, I've lost the little bit of confidence that I had when recording videos before. So if I am talking a little bit fast or stumbling up on my word, stumbling with my words, just please don't pay attention to that, because I am out of shape when it comes to recording videos, when it comes to sitting in front of a camera and talk to nobody and just to a camera. So I hope that you don't mind that. Yeah. So if you're interested in just knowing what I've been up to, please stay tuned. So pretty much during the past 6 months, 8 months, I've been just primarily working, not spending money really in things that I most likely buy and end up not using. And I've been just pretty much living my life. So with working, you know, like when I get home, time for me to rest. I have a job at a place that is very stressful and honestly toxic. So when I get home, all I want to do is pretty much have some rest and prepare myself for the next day. So that's why I pretty much don't have time to do much. Or maybe, I mean, I could find the time. It's just by the time I get home, I am fully drained. And also, I've been not buying as many things as I used to buy, because if you look around my space, I have tons of things that I spent my money on because I wanted them, but then I really don't use them. And so to me, that is very wasteful, because one, I'm crowding my space with things that I'm not using, and two, those things, when you buy those things, you pretty much either you're not saving, or you spending your money not wisely and using credit cards most of the time, which I am guilty of. And so I wanted to stop all of that. And back then, I felt that I needed to buy things in order to come in front of a camera and do some sort of review or unboxing videos, because those are exciting to me. But at the same time, I had to be a little bit more responsible and reasonable as to what I'm doing with my finances. So I kind of stopped buying things. My purpose now is to use the things that I have. And I mean, yeah, if I want to buy something, I will buy it, but not as I used to buy tons and tons of things, because it's either gonna go bad, and it's also going to make me spend money that I should be using to pay down my debt. So you might not see videos of me doing big unboxings or doing first impressions, unless it's of something that I already have and have not used. And I actually wanted to record this video this way because I am going to do my hair after this, and I will be using some tool that I bought at Sephora at the beginning of this year that I still have not used. It's in its box and pretty much brand new. So I just wanted to give you that as a heads up, that if you're interested in obtaining some review about this tool, just stay tuned, and I'll be posting a video of it hopefully within the next week or so. And I feel bad that I don't even remember what the name of the tool is, so give me a second and I'll grab it. So this is the tool that I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see it, but it's I think it's a dry bar. It's a dry bar. I don't even remember. I don't even remember what I bought. Yeah, it is a dry bar. Little iron. It's called the Tress Press. I don't even know how to pronounce it. So I've had this since the beginning of the year, and I pretty much have not even opened it. Like, this is the first time I actually took the plastic off of it. So why should I even buy more things if I'm not even using it? So I will be using this and recording a video, hopefully using it, so that way you guys can see how it performs. And if you're interested in maybe buying it for Christmas or next year, then you can maybe see how it performs and see if you want it or need it in your life. But the funny thing is that I'm doing this today, and then I believe tomorrow I'm going to go cut my hair because my hair is too long right now and it's bothering me. So I will be cutting my hair, but I didn't want to cut my hair before finding some place to donate some of the hair because it's very long right now. So I know I'm cutting it, but at the same time I would like to donate some hair, so that's something I'm also working on. And to go back to the things that I've been doing for the past 8 months, myself working, not buying things as much, and pretty much just living my life, trying to live my life and trying to find ways to do better in life and to like stop stressing myself so much about work. And I actually went on a little vacation and came back last week, and I visited some friends in North Carolina, and I also went on a cruise, so it was a little bit exciting, and I'm happy to be back home. It's cold in New York right now. I came back to a like 25-degree weather. That's why I got really sick, because I was in the Caribbean. I was actually in the Bahamas for a whole week cruising around. And to come back to New York with this wonderful weather has made me a little sick. So, I'm working on getting better, but at least I'm getting this out of the way, because I've been meaning to like sit and record something. And I just felt like I needed to do it, even though I'm looking like a crazy person, but I just wanted to come and show you guys what I'm up to. Well, I will say bye for now, and hopefully I will see you next time. If you were here until the end of the video, I really appreciate it, and I would love you to please subscribe and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Well, time to see my face again. I've been missing in action. And I kind of feel very weird doing this today. I've been meaning to record video for the longest, but I just pretty much either I don't find my cables, and then I forget what I wanted to record about. So I had to get organized when it comes to that. So hopefully this is something. I don't even know what I'm talking about right now, really. Like, I feel so lost, and